In lesson 65, we're looking at advanced substitution. Now, we've already been working with rate, time, and distance problems and different setups with that. And now, we're going to have to use more substitution than we normally needed to use. So what I'm going to do is substitute for the RV and the TV in the B equation. So my RB is equal to 3R sub W, and that's going to be multiplied by the 2 minus TW. So I just put in 3RW for that RB and 2 minus TW for this T sub B, and then that's equal to 6. Now I'm just going to use the distributive property with my 3RW. So I'll have 6RW minus 3RWTW equals 6. And then for this RWTW, that's equal to 6 here, so I'm going to put 6 in place of that. So I'll have 6R sub W minus 3 times 6 equals 6. 3 times 6 is 18. And then I'll add 18 to both sides, so it'll be 6RW equals 24. Then I'll divide by 6. So R sub W equals 4. Now I can use that to find my R sub B right here. So R sub B is 3 times 4, so that's 12. Then I can use this 4 here and divide both sides by 4, so that T sub W equals 6 over 4, which is the same as 3 over 2. And then I still need T sub B, so if I put in the 12 for RB here, I can divide both sides by 12, so that T sub B equals 1/2. That was 6 divided by 12. When we reduce that, that's how we get the 1/2. And then those are all 4 of our variables. Alright, let's look at the next one. This is very similar, but this time we don't have the T sub P or the T sub C solved for. So we have to decide which one we want to solve for. And since my R sub P is equal to 3R sub C, so the R sub P is all by itself here, I'm going to go ahead and solve for the T sub P because it's the time that's related to that rate. So I would just subtract T sub C, so I'll have T sub P equals 12 minus T sub C. Okay, now I can fill in the 3R sub C for R sub P, so 3R C times, and I can put the 12 minus T sub C in for this T sub P, so 12 minus T sub C, and then that equals 693. Then I'll distribute my 3RC, so I'll have 36R sub C minus 3R sub C T sub C equals 693. Alright, now the R sub C and T sub C, that equals 165. So I can go ahead and replace that with 165. So 36 R sub C minus 3 times 165 equals 693. Then I need to go ahead and multiply the 3 times my 165, so it'll be minus 495. Everything else stays the same at this point. Then I'll add 495 to move it to the other side. That'll be 1188. So That's what 36r sub c is equal to. Then I just need to divide both sides by 36. So r sub c equals 33. Now I can use that to find out about what my r sub p is. So 3 times 33, right here, that's 99. Okay, and then I can put in my 33 here and just divide both sides by 33. So I'll have 165 divided by 33, and that gives me 5. So t sub c equals 5. And then I can put in my 99 right here for r sub p to find t sub p. So I have 693 divided by 99, and that gives me 7. So I have t sub p equals 7. And that's all 4 variables that we needed to solve for.